Welcome to Chef Rafi's show.
Hi, this is Chef Rafi and welcome to my show.
Halina kayo sa aking show.
Today I'm cooking with my friends Michael and Brendan.
Today we're making ube Rice Krispies, and it's an American-Filipino dessert.
Sa kabanatang ito, tuturuan ko kayong magluto ng
Purple Rice Krispie balls with ube and ube Rice Krispie Canapes for all your entertaining needs.
Today we're making purple Rice Krispie treats with ube. These are the ingredients.
Marshmallows, butter, and Rice Krispies.
These are the ingredients you'll need.
We will use purple yam or ube halayang for the purple color.
You should go watch Chef Rafi's video, how to make halayang. If you haven't seen it, or it's too hard to make, you can just buy it in a jar. At the end, we are going to roll the Rice Krispie treats in coconut, but coconut is optional. You don't have to do it, but we're going to do it to spice things up. Don't forget to buy some Chef Rafi merch at chefrafi.com.
This merchandise goes to the starving children in Africa, so you will make a difference.
You can make so much more than Rice Krispies using Rice Krispies. Just look at all this great, delicious stuff on the back of the box.
Don't eat too much of this, because this will give you diabetes. Just look at my aunt.
Let's start cooking.
The first thing we do is melt butter and marshmallows.
Whatever you do, do not use margarine. Did you know that the ancient Egyptians ate marshmallows? It was a privilege back then to partake in the spongy dessert. Let's melt them.
Eating this is normal here. Keep an open mind to try the unique foods.
Now we're gonna make it purple by throwing in some ube.
Mix it up very well. Isn't that colorful?
Now it's time to throw in the Rice Krispies.
Make sure they cool down before you roll them into balls. They will be very sticky. These are so delicious.
I can eat this every day.
So delicious.
This is an amazingly easy dish to cook. The smell is amazing.
That was really good.
I've had a chance to meet these young people. I see myself in these young people.
What an amazing dish.
Please share this video with all your friends.
And now they're finally ready to eat.
Tikman nyo! Ang sarap!
You can also slice the balls thinly and make canapes with coconut and halayang.
Tikman na natin.
That was pretty good.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pananangkilik.
Chef Rafi would love to hear from you. Send him your favorite family recipes.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe.
Goodbye.